Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about one of the coolest AI models out there, ChatGPT. Now, if you're not sure what it is, don't worry. We're about to fill you in on all the juicy details. But first things first, let's talk about what ChatGPT is. It's a powerful language model developed by OpenAI that uses deep learning techniques to generate human-like text. But ChatGPT is more than just a fancy piece of technology. It's got practical applications in real estate that can help you supercharge your business. With ChatGPT, you can generate property descriptions, answer common client questions, and even personalize content for individual clients. I mean, the possibilities are really endless. So let's dive into how ChatGPT works its magic. It's based on a type of AI called deep learning, which is all about training the model on massive amounts of data to develop a sophisticated understanding of language. ChatGPT has been trained on a massive data set of texts, including like books and articles, social media posts, which makes it better at generating accurate and engaging text. But ChatGPT isn't just following a script. It's flexible, creative, fluid. You can provide it with a prompt like a few sentences or a paragraph, and it will generate a continuation of that text that's consistent with the prompt. And the best part of it all, it will generate text that's creative and unexpected, which it's pretty darn cool. I mean, check this out. I'm just gonna throw a quick address and a description and watch the results. Now, let's talk about how ChatGPT can specifically help you in your real estate business. You just saw one of them. One of the biggest challenges real estate agents have is creating compelling and engaging property descriptions that attract and engage potential buyers. But it can be time consuming and challenging to come up with just like a unique description for every single property. But that's where ChatGPT comes in. With the right inputs, ChatGPT can help you to generate property descriptions that stand out from the crowd and help potential buyers to envision themselves living in the property. And the best part is it's all automated. So you can just save time and focus on other aspects of the business or your life. But that's not all. ChatGPT can also help you answer common client questions like, what's the school district like in this area? Or is there public transportation nearby? With ChatGPT, you can provide accurate and helpful responses without having to spend time researching or writing responses. And if you're looking to take your real estate game to the next level, ChatGPT can even help you personalize content for individual clients or social media. Imagine being able to provide customized property descriptions or personalized responses to common questions. I mean, that's kind of cool, right? And it really help you set yourself apart from your competition. With this new AI model, you can save time, increase engagement, and drive business success. I mean, like it's a game changer in real estate, and we're excited to help you harness that power. But you don't have to go it alone. I've actually created an online community packed full of real estate professionals from around the world who are using ChatGPT and AI to completely transform their business. It's called the Grow or Die community, and it's where you can get all the support and resources you need to take your real estate game to the next level with ChatGPT and AI. So if you're ready and you want to join us in supercharge your real estate business with ChatGPT and AI, be sure to click the link below in the description and join the community today. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications, and like this video if you found it to be helpful. All right, guys, I'll see you on the other side.